Hello, good morning students. This is Shell Public School. I am Naveen. And today we are starting chapter first, that is computer networking. Chapter first, that is computer networking. So in previous class we have discussed about so many topics about network also, types of network also, and some wireless and Bluetooth connectivity we have to discuss about that. After learning this chapter, the students you have to able to define the computer networks and list the benefits of networking, list different wire and wireless communication media, and different types of networks are there. Okay, and identify the type of network on the basis of area covered. Okay, types of networks are there, and describe various terms associated with the computer network and list various security threats to the computer network. And last is list the preventive and corrective measures against these threats, that is safety security point. So let's start the chapter. In this chapter we have learned these type of objectives, and before we have to learn, read the following topics are there in the first year textbook. I have to send you on WhatsApp also, and you can download these textbook chapter number 1 to 3 part from your application, Shell Public School application. In a download center you can download from the center study material. Okay, so let's start. We discuss about the network first. Okay, not about internet, we are talking about network. What is network? See a first example, that is connectivity of railway tracks and their stations. A track of railway and number of stations are coming. Station number 1, station number 2 or 3 or 4. A railway line flow on a railway track, run on a railway track and connect with all the stations. Same as it is a house, a many number of house, a road and a connections of house connected with road, a road connected with number of houses. So that is the connectivity. So come on the topic, that is network. What is network? That is the communication media, that is network. Connection, listen carefully, connection between two or more devices, between two or more electronic devices, between two or more computers, between two or more gadgets, smartphone, tablet, PC. Okay, connection between two or more devices, that means the hardware you can use electronically, that is computer, smartphone or PC, laptop also. So two or more devices are connected with each other, with the help of wire cable or a wireless signals, with the help of wire and a wireless signals. Connected with wire and wireless signal, those connection of two or more devices are known as computer network. Read it carefully and write down in your notebook a short definition of computer network, that is connection between two or more devices or components with the help of wire and wireless signals is a network. After that, after the connection of network, we can share information to each and every computer or devices. So in a textbook a puzzle is there, you can read it. You can place 10 coins, in a such way that they lie in a 5 straight line. Draw a 5 straight line in your notebook or any paper, and on each line there are exactly 4 coins. 5 straight lines you can draw, and each line there are exactly 4 coins. And such situations are faced by the designer of the computer network. They have to think of various ways to interconnecting the computers so that the specific goals of network setups are achieved. How you can? Number of devices are there. A picture you can see. Number of devices, electronic devices are there. How you can correct? A networking, in a brief, a computer network is a collection of interconnected computers and other devices which are able to communicate with each other. Okay. In this context, the term interconnected means that exists a path that is a location. Okay. Path means a location, and through which data can be transmitted from one computer to another device or another device. Device, that means a hardware or a computer, electronic device. Okay. In a simple way, a computer network is a collection of interconnected computers and other devices which are able to communicate with each other and share hardware and software resources. What are hardware resources and software resources? List the above components are there. Those are known as computer components. Number of 2 components are there. PCs make with the help of 2 components are there, that is hardware and software. You can list hardware components also. What are hardware components? That is storage devices, network devices, storage devices, network devices, input devices, output devices, and a process devices. Number of 5 components are including in hardware resources, that is input, output, process, storage and network. Write in your notebook. Okay. After that, software resources are there. What are software resources? A system software is the first type of software resource, and second is application software. Application, those are using for the specific task, that is word processing, spreadsheet processing. Number of applications you have installed in your Android phone also, your computer also, Windows based application also, Android based application also. So, operating system and operating system is other one. Okay, is also known as a system software. Okay, so software are 2 types. First is system software, that is operating system, and second one is application software, and third is utility software. Utility software, that means some cleaner, some antiviral or malware softwares are there, and some specific purpose softwares you can design with your own. So those are utility softwares are there. Okay. So let's start. Next is, why do we have computer networks? What is the use of computer networks? Why the computer networks are used? Are there any advantages of computer networks and devices also? And over standalone computers, yes, there are many, a few these advantages. First is resource sharing. You can use a computer one with a highest or best configuration. You can share all the resources of these computers, that is hardware or software, to other one. You can share important, most powerful and hardware like printer, speaker, scanner, camera, web camera, hard disk resources, that is internal storage resources, processing also, some software also, software resources also, network also, internet also. So those resources you can share with the help of network to other one. Number of networks you can connect it with each other, and you can share resources to each and every computer. Those are connected with the network. Okay. Cost saving. We are talking about network, not internet first. So next is cost saving. You can use a less configuration to other computers. You can use a best configuration to a single one computer with lot of hardware resources like keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, printer, scanner, speakers also, web camera also, microphone also. So a single computer with a lot of resources, and other one is a client, those are not having this type of resources. You can share all the hardware resource with the other also, and you can share all those software resources to other also. Cost saving. You can buy costly software, costly hardwares to a single one computer to share other one. Okay, collaborative with interaction, time saving, increased storage, lot of advantages to share a network resources, devices or a software storage, yes, resources to connected computers, connected network computers. Let us discuss these advantages in some details. You can pause the screen and read it carefully. Resource sharing. What is the resource sharing? Okay, you have to read carefully. Number of resources like hard disk, DVD drive, scanner, you can share with the other computer. You can use a single one devices in a single computer, and you can share with number of computers, those are connected with the network. And you have to cost saving advantages are there. First, resource sharing, that is collaborative user interaction. Pause the screen to read it carefully. Second one is increased resources. Again, pause the screen, read it carefully. And network hardware. What are network hardware? Network hardware we can discuss in the next class. Before that, you can read the text I am sharing with you. Read the PDF, pause the screen, read it, the PDF, and submit the query on a WhatsApp. You can I hope you can understand carefully. And next class we will discuss about network hardware. Okay, have a nice day all of you. Thank you very much.